moment, brother answer for the case. Worship made all of us qualified enough to make the conclusion that in fact the substance that appeared to be red in color was in fact blood. Worship it is in fact ludicrous for my learned brother, Counsel Wiyizi, to conclude that it was blood. I'm not sure if it has implications in medicine. Is it possible it was beetroot juice? Your Honor, all of this was supposed to be. Let me address the point. There was no doctor report, so it is not right for my learned brother to state, and it is actually putting it on record, and the same should not be on the record. There is no proof that that was blood. It is until the doctors confirm so. Your Honor, I'm told that samples were taken. So it's not right that you say.
I want to find out from you. Counsel First City, I want to find out from you. Do we have the medical officer of Maxon Bay Hospital?
Your Worship, the medical officer is not here. The court had guided. In fact, the court.
Say court had guided?
The court guided that A9 medical provision and care. Your Honor, it is quite unfortunate that she is not able to make it work for whatever reasons. But if it will please the court, as my learned sister has submitted, because these are documents, medical reports that should certainly not be made so public in such a way. Maybe the court may be pleased to probably order the prisons, not just to tell them, but an order, Your Honor, I believe would suffice, so that the prison's medical superintendent may avail the court with a medical report, upon which the court may.
Was ordered by the trial magistrate, and it is clear on the court report that the accused person A9 be taken to hospital, and a report be filed before this court. We are lawyers duly instructed to represent A9. We have not accessed A9 to date. The information we are getting, she has not been to any hospital up to date as we speak. And these two accused people, these female two accused people, can witness that.
Your Honor, I mean,
I'm submitting.
You have no proof of the same.
These are here. They can confirm what I'm saying, and I'm the lawyer who has instructions.
So they are the doctors now? Are they the doctors?
Your Honor.
Counsel, this is what I'm going to do. The OC, whoever is in charge of where that this person is being kept, to make a report to the trial magistrate of the condition in which that this person is in, and then maybe the magistrate will make subsequent orders thereafter.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to give it a timeline before the next adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor, my last concern is the failure to see a very ill, a critical ill client. The prison? Yes.
Can we find out from the deputy?
It's okay, you can find out.
If you can call her here and ask her if she didn't come to see them. We also have visitation books which clearly indicate that she had visitation even yesterday, where she was seen by her sister and her niece. So I actually don't know which day she has not been visited. Unless they come to prison and maybe they find we have taken her for scandal or something. But where she has managed to move and come to the visitation room, she has been seen. If we are ordered to unveil the visitation reports, we shall do so. Thank you.
In the December of our ruling, and the application that was made by counsel to the applicant. The pretender to prison, that is Maxon Bay Hospital and Prison, are hereby directed to issue a status report as to the health condition of N9, that is Saudah Madada, by the 11th of December. This session is adjourned. People power, power, power.
Saudah was beaten by you, you took her to condemn a place she's not supposed to be, and now you are denying her treatment, just treatment. I'm very disappointed in you. Very disappointed. This country will change. You are too young to be used. That was wrong. You are too young. You are given order to assist the parents. It's very wrong. It's very wrong. Very wrong. Why did you go to them and evacuate her? That was not even that. It's not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter. It is hell.
No reason to beat her camera. Be professional. Be professional. Touch my camera. No, be professional.
Speak, my sister, speak. My sister, speak. A man while touching a woman. Our parents took us to school to behave like school. You pick up someone with 10 front like as if they have guns, and it has 0% Come on. We go to schools, get unemployed, to hustle for ourselves. You arrest our brothers and sisters for nothing. Are we fools? Did my mother take Doreen to school to come and suffer in prison? A small girl like that picked up with 4 drones for what? What does she have? A knife in the house for peeling matoke. What do you want from us? Should we undress? What do I tell my mother all the time? We are tired. We are totally tired of you people. We are tired. Chagulanyi committed no crime to come out and fight for us. He's a young man like us. What you want from us, we give it to you. Tell us what you want from Doreen, we give it to you. Tell us what you want from Alex, we give it to you. What problem has ever ended up to anyone here? We come here every day, every time. If you want to take the whole family, go and pick mom from home and take her. We are tired. As young people, we are totally tired. Close and admit where Doreen is. Pick my sisters where we all go. Because it's what you want from us. We did go to school to suffer. We are studied and we are learned people.
Very strong, mulonde Kyagulanyi ate ne weesa temwerabire nakawa East nalo.